Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how you can insert multiple rows by the help of VBA macro. But what we usually do if we want to insert multiple rows, suppose I type something on this particular cell, I type something and now my active cell is this and row number is 6. Okay. My active cell is E6 and row number is 6. And if you want to insert multiple rows, what do we usually do? We go to the home tab and then we go to the insert and we can insert multiple rows. If I click on insert sheet rows, you can see one row has added. If we want to add one more row, the same thing I have to do. Okay, if I click on here, insert sheet rows, one more row has added automatically. The same thing I can do by the help of VBA macro also. So how to do it? To do it, at first of all, I have to go to the developer tab and Visual Basic, and I have to insert a module. Okay, I have to insert a module. I just insert a module and I give the module name as sub insert sheet rows. Sheet rows. Okay. Now I will give the command between the sub and end sub. So what command that I have to give? That is dim I as integer, dim j as integer, j as integer, and then active cell active cell dot entire row dot select, and then on error on error, go to last. What I will do, I have taken two variable, that is I as integer, j as integer. What I will do, I equal to input box bracket start, inverted comma start, enter enter number of rows that you want to insert, that you want to insert, inverted comma close, comma, and then the title. What will be the title? Insert rows. Insert insert sheet rows. Sheet rows. Okay. Inverted comma close, bracket close. Enter. Now, what J will do? I have given the I. What I will do? I will go for an input box and there will be a written that enter number of rows that you want to insert sheet rows. And what j will do, j equal to, sorry, for j equal to 1 to I, 1 to I. Okay, suppose if I give 2 in place of I, then number of row will insert 2. Okay, if I give 3 in place of I, then 3 row will insert. Okay, like that it will work. And then selection selection dot insert shift colon and equal to sign excel down and comma copy origin copy origin, and then equal to excel format, excel format, right, right, or above, or above, right or above. And as I have used for loop, I have to end the for loop, that is next day, and at last colon and equal to sign, exit cell, exit cell. Sorry, I have to not to give the equal to sign over here, exit cell. Okay, this row, sorry, this code that I have used, it is the code by which you can use to get the sheet rows. Okay, so suppose if I run the macro, then you will find a pop-up message where I have to give the number of rows that I want to insert. Suppose I delete it, and suppose I my active cell is this, that is F13, and I type something in this cell. So my now my active row is row number 13. Okay, so now if I go to the visual macro, and if I run it, then you can see my active, that is my active row has selected, and you can see it is a input box where you can see enter number of rows that you want to insert. Suppose if I type 3 over here, then 3 rows will insert automatically above it. Okay, 3 rows will be added automatically above 8. So if I type 3 over here and click OK, then you can see 3 more rows has added. At the time when I um, make it, then it is on the row number 13, but now it has came on row number 16. Okay, and now if I again run the macro, now if I type here 5, enter number of rows that you want to insert. If I type 5, then you will find now it is on row number 16. After if I click OK, and after 5, and if I click OK, then it will come on row number 21. You will find this thing on row number 21. Okay, so I click OK. You can see it is now on row number 21. By this way you can also insert the sheet rows. It is very helpful. Okay, please practice this at your home, and if you find anything, any problem in it, please contact us. We will help you out. Okay, so this video is still this.